Hello, this is ASL Unit 1. Welcome. These are learning targets. What you're going to learn this for ASL Unit 1. Read. This video will show you how to use ABC. Watch, learn ABC. Man, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now we're going to learn what? Greenish. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hi. Bye, bye. See you later, see you later. More. Hi, hi. Later, later. Take care, take care. See you tomorrow, see you tomorrow. Just talk about getting attention. We do. I'm going to show you how to get deaf or hard of hearing people attention. I'll show you. Ready? Hand wave. Tap, tap. Lash, like doorbell, flash, that help you get attention. Sound, get their attention. Tap. Bass drum, boom, boom, boom. Feel the vibration. How are you? No. How are you? Middle finger. What's up? What's up? Nothing. Not much. Me too. Same here. Me too. Same here. Same old, the usual, same. Sure. Sleepy. Tired. More. how, fine, busy, busy, confused, or confused. Good, well, good, well. Bad, bad. Singular. Always use just a finger. Singular. That's all I have to do. I'll show it to you. Okay. Me. Me. You. He. She. It. We. Us. They. Them. You. All. You. All. Get you. All. Okay. Now we're going to talk about facial expression. Don't be shy, be brave. Show is really important. If you don't have facial expression, you cannot be involved in yourself. You have to have facial expression. Don't be shy. Okay? Ready? Okay. Part of the learning target. Ready? Happy. Not. Happy. Mad. Sad. Scared. Middle finger. Sick. More facial expression. Middle finger. Excited. Blank face. No facial expression. Boy. Angry. Okay. Happy. Middle finger. Excited. Bored. Check. Sick. Confuse. Or confuse. Okay. Let's just describe about the facial expression. I'm not afraid. I'm afraid. I'm terrified. I'm not busy. I'm busy. I'm overwhelmed. I'm not bored. I'm bored. I'm incredibly bored. Not sad. I'm sad. I'm not excited. I'm excited. I'm okay. See the different facial expression? That's how you do it. That's it. Thank you.